Hello everyone, welcome to ForSeller. In this video, we will explain how to ship orders via Amazon MCF. At ForSeller, fulfilling orders through Amazon FBA MCF mainly includes 3 steps: authorizing Amazon warehouses, map SKU, and synchronizing inventory order processing. Now let me guide you how to set up and fulfill orders via Amazon MCF. Step 1. Authorize Amazon warehouse. Before authorizing the Amazon warehouse, you need to have authorized the Amazon store in ForSeller Shop Manage. Click the Settings button to enter the Shop Manage page. Click Amazon icon and complete the step to authorize the Amazon store to ForSeller. After that, go to the Inventory Setting page. Then click Create in 3PF Warehouse to enter the Add Your FBA page to add the FBA warehouse. On the Add Your FBA page, you can drop down to select the corresponding Amazon store, and then click Confirm to add the warehouse corresponding to the store. Step 2. Map SKU and synchronize inventory information. Go to the Listing tab. ForSeller will automatically generate and match product SKU. Before processing an order, you need to synchronize the inventory information under FBA tab. Enter Inventory section. Click FBA in 3PF, and then click Sync Inventory to synchronize the inventory of the authorized FBA warehouse. On the FBA inventory page, if the inventory SKU is not matched, you need to click Map to enter the Map product page to match the inventory SKU. On this page, you can search by product name and SKU, then select the corresponding product and click Select to match the SKU of the inventory. Step 3. Order processing. Firstly, to use Amazon MCF to fulfill orders, you need to enable the Shipping minus Inventory option. Click the Settings button to enter the Order and Shipping Settings page. Then click Process Settings. Enable the Shipping minus Inventory option to use inventory for shipping. Secondly, you can go to the Order processing. Orders in the pending status are mainly due to 5 reasons: no mapping of SKU out of stock, invalid address, you paid, and on hold. You can first update the order's shipping warehouse and batches. After checking the order, click Warehouse and Batch Modify to enter the Edit Warehouse page. On this page, you can select the corresponding FBA warehouse, and then click Save to update the order's shipping warehouse and batches. When the order appears in unmapped, you can click the unmapped icon and select the corresponding SKU for matching. After selecting the corresponding SKU, a linked products prompt will pop up. Click Only. This modification will only take effect on the current order. Clicking Yes will take effect on unmatched orders and all subsequent orders. When the order appears in out of stock, please check whether the warehouse is selected correctly. If the inventory is insufficient, please replenish the inventory and then click the Refresh Stock button to synchronize the inventory. ForSeller will check in the address. If the order's address invalid, you should confirm the address information with the buyer, then correct it. The orders in unpaid means the buyer still didn't pay the orders, so you should wait the buyers pay the orders and continue the action. The on hold means the TikTok have 1 hour for seller or buyer to cancel the orders. The next step is to ship the orders. In here you can through by label to ship the orders. Select the single order. Click by label of the order to enter the corresponding by label page. On the by label page, please confirm the following information. 1. Confirm that the corresponding FBA warehouse is selected. 2. Select the corresponding shipping carrier, Amazon MCF. 3. Select the corresponding service. Finally, click by label, and the order will enter the in-process status. Also, you can buy label in bulk. Check the blank grid and select the orders in bulk. Click Batch Modify to fill the relevant information, then click Buy Label. After buying label, we'll go to the next station in process. Click 3PF Warehouse. You will see 5 status in failed. There are 3 stations. By label fail means by label fail. You can check the error message, then correct it, and by label again publish failed means the label pushed to Amazon MCF, and get the tracking number failed. Ship failed means the order ship fail. When in process, also have 3 stations. The first one means obtaining label. Second one means getting the tracking number from Amazon MCF. Withdrawing means canceling the label. 3PF pending means the label's in 3PF pending. Withdrawn failed and successed means you withdraw the label failed or successed. Once by label successfully, the orders will go to the ship status automatically. Please note that when processing orders from the TikTok platform, you need to filter them first. Orders using TikTok shipping logistics can't be processed at the same time with orders using seller shipping. Before selecting orders in batches, you need to filter the orders in the shipping service filter column. Please filter out seller shipping orders for batch processing, then the fulfill orders step same as above. That is the introduction of how to ship orders via Amazon MCF. If you have any questions or suggestion for using it, please feel free to contact us. See you next time